Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're going to do a Target $20 Keto Challenge coming up next. So, my challenge today is to do $20 shopping haul. I got my 20 bucks to get my 3 meals organized, and then I'm going to show you in part 2 the keto meal prep that we're going to do with what I purchased for my 20 bucks. So, do you think I can do it? I think so. Let's dive in. So, my first part about my planning is I have a list going of cream cheese, my chicken, hot sauce, cauliflower. Ideally, organic is best, but we do the best we can afford. Grass-fed is best, but no guilt, shame, or combination if you cannot. Also going to get some bacon, some more chicken, some pesto, some cheese, and some eggs. And that's our keto meal prep and our keto meal plan for the shopping trip. If you find it helpful, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and get my free keto diet meal plan down below. Let's dive into the shopping. Hot sauce is going to be part of our list, but I actually have a ton at home that I coupon for like a quarter. So I'm not going to purchase it, but you would need to purchase it if you're following along with my keto meal prep. So I was looking for their just cauliflower, heads of cauliflower. I guess maybe it's not in season. So I'm going to go ahead and snag a bag of their organic cauliflower, and we'll use that in my keto meal recipe instead. That's interesting, by the way. Who knew?
Right beside it.
I am so excited. So my little boy found this. Did you find this? He found it. So it's Avocado Pesto Dip, but it's plant-based. So it's made out of cauliflower, then avocados. For 2 tablespoons, it's 1 net carb or 2 carbs. I'm totally getting this. The ingredients look clean, but look, they also have a buffalo plant-based one too. I'm gonna snag this one as well. It looks really, really good. It's for 2 tablespoons, 3 carbs or 2 net carbs, basically 1 net carb per serving. This is in, we're gonna use this for something. And these ingredients are cauliflower, carrots, bell peppers, hot sauce, almond butter, lemon juice, like really, really clean ingredients. And I gotta check out this queso one they have. I just saw that too. Are you helping me out? So this queso also looks amazing. I'm going to check the expiration dates on them, but it's queso. The ingredients are cauliflower, red bell peppers, almond butter, apple cider vinegar, like really clean, good ingredients made by Good Foods. I have not heard of them before, nor seen them at Target. I'm so excited for this find. It's 1 net carb per 1 tablespoon. They're $5 a container, so it's $15 for all 3 of these. But I gotta try them. I'm gonna go home and taste them, and I'll let you know if they taste good or not too. At the end, when I go home and unpack everything, you can see if they're a winner or if they get a good Countess review or not. Okay, so I've gotten so far my first dish, which is gonna be the cream cheese crock-pot dish. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and look for my chicken roll-ups, see if I can get all those ingredients too. Next, we're gonna go look for some ricotta for our chicken roll-ups. Has more carbs in it, so I'm going to put it back and actually get the Target store ricotta brand. We're going to use these for our chicken roll-ups. So I'm going to go ahead and snag some of the mozzarella cheese. I'm going to go ahead and snag some of the chicken too. So they have this also on sale for the different prices. The skinless breast is $2.39 per piece, or this one is $4.55. I'm gonna try to find the $2.39 per pound. It's the Purdue boneless skinless chicken breast, but I am not seeing where that is. Let's see if this is it. We're gonna go ahead and snag this. We're gonna get 2 packages of it, and I'm gonna go ahead and snag some of that cream cheese also for part of my meal. The next thing we're gonna snag is some full cream cheese, full fat cream cheese for our chicken keto dish that we have. So this is not on my list, but would be a great addition at 0 carbs for it. Just checking the ingredients, it says Angus beef only, no other additives. So this is not on our list, but it could be a great keto low carb item to get.
Chocolate milk and regular.
Now I'm gonna go attempt to try to find where their pesto is. I'm not quite sure what section that's in, but we're gonna go look. I found some pesto at the bottom. It was on sale for 2 for $4. I'm just gonna snag one small one. Our third easy keto meal that we're gonna get is our bacon knots. We're gonna make those really simply in the air fryer or in your oven with some guacamole. Let's go get those ingredients. We're gonna go ahead and snag a packet of bacon. Also, just make sure with your bacon it doesn't have added sugars in it or any sort of creepy carbs. Somewhat hard to find, just check the ingredients. So this was not on my list, the California Green Giant Pizza Crust. It caught my attention though to see how many carbs were in it. It's 16 carbs in it, so I'm gonna put it back. It's a no-go, but it was good marketing. So I'm gonna go ahead and double check my list to make sure I got everything on here for our cream cheese, chicken, hot sauce, cauliflower, pesto, cheese, bacon, guacamole, ricotta, a partridge in a pear tree. I think we've got everything. Now I'm gonna go check the clearance section as my reward. So I did find some clearance in here. They had this for 90% off, so I'm gonna go ahead and snag those too. Let me go home and show you everything that I got. I have an awesome helper today who's been so helpful, haven't you, bud? It was a little bit off my keto budget, but that's okay. My Target did not fail me. It was a great Target haul. Let me go home and show you all of my Target goodies that I got. Okay, I'm back home from my Target haul for my $20 Target challenge. Super, super awesome finds shopping for the ketogenic diet. So first thing, I got some cream cheese, my 89-cent cream cheese. I'm going to mix that in my crock pot dish with my organic cauliflower that I got. And I'm going to make a delicious Indian dish out of that using my canned chicken breast. It's going to be delicious. And then also, adding a couple of other things in with that. I did get the incredible 3 sauces. We tried the Queso Dip, bar none, fabulous, worth the $5, so incredibly good. Tasted just like Queso Dip. The consistency was like Queso Dip. Literally, I was ready to lick the jar. We had not tried yet the Avocado Pesto or the Buffalo Plant Dip, but these are so, it's all made out of cauliflower and cauliflower, avocados, and water in this one, cauliflower, carrots, bell peppers in this one, hot sauce, vinegar, like real clean ingredients. I'm super impressed that this was $5 for super clean ingredients. We for sure will use that with lots of different dishes. I have my chicken in here, it's leaking, so I'm gonna leave it in there, but I'm gonna use that for my chicken roll-ups, for my chicken pizzas, a bunch of different things. Then I got some mozzarella cheese to make my keto pizzas with. I have a ton of shredded cheese, so I'm going to make a bunch of keto freezer meals in video number 2, which will be the part 2 part of this for the keto meal prep portion to show you how do you make these into keto meals after shopping for it so food doesn't go to waste. I did get some basil pesto. My favorite basil pesto is from Costco, but this in a pinch will totally do. I also got some ricotta cheese. Those will be put in my chicken roll-ups with the basil pesto. It's gonna be a sheet pan meal. Super easy to cook, super filling also. You'll be very full after eating it. Excuse me. And last but not least, some eggs. We use eggs in everything. I like to add them to a bunch of different dishes, a bunch of different things. It's gonna be delicious. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you get down below my free keto diet meal plan. I also do have a free Aldi shopping list, which could somewhat be similar to the Target shopping list. That will be in the description link below. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and I'll see you again next time for my Target keto shopping haul. I was a little over my $20 challenge, but hey, this is a victory in my book, and I'm gonna make some awesome, easy keto meals in part 2, so check out part 2 in the description link below. Bye guys, make it a powerful day. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, click subscribe, and sign up for my free keto diet meal plan down below.